Hello everybody and welcome back. I have with me a package that I think is from AutoOne.
AutoOne. So what's in this thing?
Well, I think it's going to be fog lights for my 2016 Honda Civic Touring model.
No, that's a good guess because I think that is what's in there.
We'll
it would be weird if we didn't know.
It'd be, but you know,
and we're just playing coy.
In the Amazon era of that we're in, I'm getting packages constantly delivered. So you just never know. But it says something about LEDs in here, and I think that there's a good chance that it's what we said that it was.
Now, for those who don't know, fog lights, they're down below.
Yes, they're below your main lights. But yep, looky here, AutoOne.
It's a nice package. Got some LSU colors there.
Yeah.
I don't know I forgot what their mascot is, but either way,
Tigers.
That's LSU. Right. That's right. That's correct. So yeah, I mean, do you need some new fog lights?
I need to upgrade them to LEDs.
Yeah.
Because I got LED headlights, but for whatever reason, Honda decided to give you LED headlights, but incandescent fog lights.
Man, LEDs are just going to cut through that fog like this knife. Shing, shing, shing.
Yep. Like a knife through hot butter.
Hot butter, yeah.
But let's see what they look like in here.
Let's see.
Oh, nice. These look actually pretty cool. Look at that. Very nice. It's silver and blue.
I'll hold them here.
This is what they look like here. Real nice.
I'm not going to touch them.
Yeah, Phil's not going to touch them because we had a mishap.
They don't need to know that.
But yes, so it's looking pretty nice. We got the nice bulb there.
Yep.
LED.
Cool.
These for the 2016 Honda Civic Touring, they take an H11 bulb, if I remember right. Yeah, so an H8, 9, 11, or H16 will all do the lights good on the Honda. So
now we are going to install them, and well, we're going to put them in a video. We're going to keep it simple.
We're keeping it simple. So here's what we're going to do. I found a great video of someone that shows you how to install them on a Honda Civic Touring, a 2016 Honda Civic Touring model. I'm going to put a link in the description below. That's going to show you how to do it because there's no use in us reinventing the wheel.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to install these bad boys, and then we're going to do a comparison of the LED versus incandescent, and then we'll show you what the whole front fascia, to be, you know, very technical.
Now we can't...
what the whole front fascia looks like. And
we can't really produce fog.
No, we can't produce fog.
But maybe in the future.
We can look at it and say, oh, this is bright, and probably determine that's pretty good.
Yeah.
But I think good looking LED. I like this right here, this rubber grommet, or this rubber seal on there. That's going to keep the moisture out, I think.
That's the Wallace and that's the grommet.
Yep. There you go.
Terms.
But they're definitely some high quality looking lights. They have what I believe right here, this is aluminum here to act as a heat sink so they don't overheat, and it's also encasing the light.
Yeah.
So
I say yep as if yep, that's right.
It's,
correct.
It looks good, and we're going to install them and then see how bright they are. So follow us to the garage. Well, looks like to me it's definitely significantly brighter. I mean, we're in broad daylight, but the LED fog light, which is here on the driver's side, is significantly brighter than that incandescent one. So switching to these AutoOnes will be a major upgrade. What do you think, Phil?
I agree, because I mean, this has been our our experience so far with replacing these incandescents with LEDs has been a bright LED light, white LED light. So to be fair, I was kind of like, that's probably what we're going to get.
Yep.
And I was,
And they were pretty consistent, so it's a pretty high quality light. Yep. Let's see what they look like with both of them being LEDs, Phil. So give us 1 minute to switch them out.
Transition.
All right, everybody. So the AutoOnes, I think they look great. We have both of them in, the driver's side and the passenger side. They're super bright. They're just as bright, if not brighter, than our headlights. And Phil, as long as your leg ain't covering that one up, I think they can see it pretty good.
Yeah, I think they're good.
So, but
plus with that bright white, it's just cutting through my leg anyway.
Exactly, it's just slicing right through you.
Yep.
But anyways, I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. I always wanted to do this modification or upgrade, whatever you want to call it, to my fog light, so everything's nice and the same color temperature and LED and oh so bright.
Now, we linked to a video to show people how to do it.
Right.
But you're the one who did it.
Yep.
How do you feel about the installation to...
It's not too bad. It wasn't as bad as what I thought it was going to be. There's a bunch of kind of like aerodynamic things that you have to... Well, you only have to undo one actual bolt and then two of the little plastic clips. I don't know what the technical term is. I'm a shade tree garage mechanic type
It's just a little more... It looked like it was a little more complicated only because you have to be in an awkward position down on the ground.
Right.
Compared to being inside.
Now, you don't have to jack the front end up, but I will say it will probably be a lot easier and faster if you go ahead and jack it up. Look at your user manual, make sure you do it the proper, safe way. AutoOne, definitely check them out. We have an affiliate link and a coupon code for you to where you will save 10% on your order if you order online. So be sure to check that description below and use the code Andrew and Phil.
That's right. Take advantage of that. Why not?
And plus, it helps us pay the bills to bring you content.
That's right.
As always, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Phil.
And we're out.
Bye.